this is flooding. Look at this. This is a swamp. Not a floodplain. Look at all the water here. Holy cow. It is April 10th, 2010. This is where they were logging. Look at that. Cow. Here's the Rum River. That sucker's moving. I wouldn't want to be in there. That's high. Holy smokes. That's a campsite over there across the river. Probably can't see it here, but gee whiz. I mean, look at this. We got, even over this small section, we got water coming through. Man. Yeah, this is flooding. Biblical proportions. Holy smokes. This used to be our ATV trail. You see where the beavers got after that tree there. Straight ahead, so. But I mean, holy goodness, look at this. You don't want to mess with the river. Don't mess with the mighty Rum or you'll be in trouble. The river will win. You will lose. I'm talking from experience. You know, you're going to lose if you fight the river. Water weighs 8.3 pounds per gallon. And you get how many, well, you know, how much gallons are coming down here? Yeah, right. Wow, look at this. Man, I'm going to have to go to another location and get some more footage. Don't have any ice. Uh-oh. Well, we're out of battery here, so I'm going to have to sign off. So, okay, bye-bye.